What I like about Coach Ward overall is Coach Ward, his biggest strength, in my opinion, is to read a game. Read the game and see what's okay. La akhambi kahle. I need to do this in order to change the game. Which will favor us, and he does that consistently every game. So that's his biggest strength. Yabona ukufaka uMakgopa no Apolis, players who add a dimension in terms of like stretching a defense, a low block, finding that creative a pass, a loophole pass. Yabona nje those type of players njengempela, to bring them in this type of game, to have that eye, ukubona ukuthi okay, now I need these players ngalesi khathi lesi. I feel like that's Coach Ward